In hospitality installations, it's uber complex.
We just make one phone call, Best Buy Business will handle it. So Orange Lake Resort is our flagship property in Kissimmee, Florida. It is close to 2,400 villas, and there's an expectation of a certain level of quality.
When we have guests using our appliances, we don't want them to have to worry about something going wrong. And so with reliable, dependable products, consumers, guests, owners can focus on what matters most to them, enjoying their time.
Since we are such a large resort, it's not uncommon to have multiple renovations.
It makes it hard to juggle everything, the different vendors, the different products, the different sites. Every resort is unique, and it's important that we have consistency just so that the guests know what they can count on.
One of the great things about working with Best Buy Business is it's a seamless experience when we need TVs at a resort in Las Vegas or we need appliances at a resort in New Orleans. It's the same team. It just makes life much easier than having separate teams all over the country.
Our Samsung televisions are innovative, reliable, and really right out of the box, they're ready to fit the needs of not only the customer, but of the property management group as well. And you get a really holistic package that will be able to bring a solution for a property or an installation really of any size.
There's a lot of moving pieces. The end result is to take care of a client and deliver an experience the client wants to continue to come back. If we could take some of that responsibility and put it on us to actually be able to deliver those goods and those services, that's what Best Buy Business is for.
All of our units are fully furnished with a complete kitchen. So we have GE appliances in our kitchens. The Samsung TVs are smart TVs. Our relationship with Best Buy Business helps to enhance that, and our guests return year after year for that quality.
The secret sauce to pulling off a hospitality installation is communication, communication, communication.
We need that communication there throughout the course of the project.
One of the great things about working with Best Buy Business is their ability to get appliances, have them here when they're expected, and be able to deliver on time so that we can get heads on beds on the dates that are promised.
What we do is unique to that market altogether, where we can supply TVs and appliances to one project and be able to manage it much more efficiently than anyone else does.
You know, when we can deliver things on time, it impacts revenue and the bottom line and makes our lives so much easier. There's always appliances that are going to be needed. There's always TVs that are going to be needed. And our relationship with Best Buy Business is critical to that, and much more work to come as the years go on, not just at this resort, but all of our resorts throughout our portfolio.
I want to be able to bring to them a solution, not just be a box mover. I want them to understand that we're going to be there to receive the product, stage the product, inspect the product, install the product, and then they're supported after. The logistic capabilities that Best Buy Business has is second to none. There's no one out there that's going to do it better.